guys, welcome to Brian's Man Cave. So, I've been thinking about trying out a few games that, just some games that I haven't really had much experience or exposure to. But I saw this one and it caught my eye because I think I remember playing it, at least briefly, on the Nintendo, on the NES. Back when my friend, I don't know if he had it or if he rented it, but I remember playing it long, long time ago when I was a kid. And so I thought, let's check this out on the Commodore 64. The Commodore 64 had tons and tons of games, like over 10,000 games at least. And a lot of the most popular titles managed to make their way onto the system, and this being one of them. So I'm not really familiar with this game. So this is going to be a challenge because, it's just like the old times. You just pick up the game and you just go. So let's see here. I'm going to unpause it because it was paused. Alright, 720 degrees. Do I have to do anything? Push a button. Push a button. Push a button. It's just sitting there. Maybe I have to do that. Nope. Okay, it's doing something now. Okay, so the game finally got loaded up there. A little bit of a pause there, but okay, so we got a menu. Class 1, sure. Joystick. Well, I guess the alternative is to try and play this with a keyboard. That sounds awful. I don't want to do that. So let's start the game. F7? Okay. Class 1. Alright, so that's my skateboarder dude. Oh, okay, you are here. Got all these places to go. I mean, it's smooth. It moves nicely. I'm assuming I can't go in there. I'm like, that's either water or some kind of blue carpet. It's water. Can I do, like, tricks over it? Oh! Oh, no. Did I just get stuck? Okay, I just got into a loop there where I couldn't get out of it. Cool, okay. Where am I supposed to go? Go here, yeah, okay. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I don't think I'm supposed to be on here. There we go. Is that supposed to do that, or is that just my emulation screwing up? Alright. Skate or die. Oh, that's not a good thing. I don't want to die. Oh, I guess I died. Alright, let's... Yeah, you can jump. Oh, whoa! Boards. Closed. Alright. Well, that was a waste. I find going diagonal is a little bit weird. There we go. Of course, I have no instruction manual, so I'm just going by whatever the heck is going on here. I like it that way. Slalom. Alright, class 1. So I have to do something? Oh no. Okay, let's do this. Oh, okay. So I have to go in between the... It's like downhill skiing, but on a skateboard, I guess. There we go. Did I win? Bonus score, 990. Cash prize. Oh, okay. So I made some money. And I completed the slalom. Slalom. This is slalom? Slalom. I guess this would be the point where it would be loading. There we go. Okay, so we completed slalom. I can't say that word. go, little skateboard dude. Let's do some jumps. Woo! Oh! I did some kind of crazy flip in the air. I'm like, oh! Right on my butt. I was flying there for a minute. What's this guy? Pads. I guess that means I bought them? I don't know if there's an inventory menu. Sometimes on the Commodore 64 there would be like a, a button you have to push, like a key you have to push to open up an inventory or a screen or something, but I don't know what. Okay, gotta find out. Need one of those maps again. See where I'm going. Okay. Oh, jump! Oh! Whew, almost ran out of time there. Alright, jump class 1. Okay, loading time. Oh, okay. Oh, am I gonna have to go down to the bottom? There's gonna be like a oh, don't, oh, what? What was that? I guess I failed at that one. 0. Oh, that was fun. Let's try that again. If I can. Am I allowed to? Oh! Oh! Just gave me its tongue out. That's not funny. Oh, it's funny. Let's try it. Can I try it again? Oh, yeah. Is that it? I'm gonna try again. Closed. Oh, bummer. Will it ever reopen? Or is that it? Alright, let's go this way. Alright, map. I'm here. Helmet, downhill, shoes, towards pad. I gotta go downhill? Doesn't sound very fun, but let's do it. Fall down on my butt, no problem. So we need to speed up this guy. Helmet. Do I have money? Have a nice day. So I bought a helmet, but I'm still wearing a baseball cap, so I don't know. Next step, 5,000. I'm near the jump. I'm here. Downhill. Okay. So downhill's over here. We're going around here. Over here. The music's kind of funky, though. I like the music. It's kind of got that kind of makes you nervous feel to it. Kind of like a pressure song. Okay, let's do it. Downhill. See what I have to do. Ooh! Oh no! Oh. Ah, okay. Hey, I made some money. That was fun. Ramp. Oh, I gotta do ramp. Where's ramp? I like that little image of the skateboard. Ramp. Okay, gotta find the ramp. Boring loading screens. Okay. Closed. Ugh. Yeah, see, going on that kind of diagonal. Alright, we need a map. Up here? Is this it? Is it? Shoes? We got shoes. I wonder what kind of shoes. Whoa, car! A car! Wait! A car just came out of nowhere. That's not fair. This guy also kind of reminds me of Paperboy for some reason too. Hey! What? Why can't I get lost, kid? Why? Jerk. Now what do I do? Yeah. Oh. Was I just on the fence there? You are here. Well, I officially don't know where to go. That guy just told me to get lost. Skate or die. I'm gonna die. But the last guy, he wouldn't take me. Do I have to go back to one of the ones I lost? Oh, swarm of bees. Game over. Press fire. Arrgh. What does that mean? Do I have to like go and do them all over again? Here. Watch out for the water. Oh. We're here. Okay. Let's see if it wants me to do it all over again. Closed. Nope. I don't know if I'm supposed to... get off the fence. What's happening? At some point it looked like the board was going the... it was like kind of going sideways. Like the wheels just kind of inverted and went sideways. Oh! Hey! I got some points for that. I'm supposed to be on my ass. That's it. Nope, not happening. Closed. Everything's closed. Skate or die! Skate or die! I'm gonna die. Bees! Oh. Wow. That was fun. Okay. Do I go back to the beginning? Yeah. So what are these classes? Let's class 2, class 3, class 4. Let's see what class 4 is. Class 4. Earphone's falling out of my head here. I guess it just makes it harder. Right in the drink. Oh, cool. Ramp. Let's go. Ouch. I was never really a big skateboard person myself. I had a skateboard for a little while. I had one up until about, I don't know, I think last summer I threw my skateboard away because the wheels broke. Frankly, I was just too scared to get on it. I mean, I'm too old for that stuff now. If I fall, I'll hurt myself badly. Ramp. Okay. It's probably just gonna be harder. You know, when you're a kid, you're more daring on, you know, doing that type of stuff. Even rollerblading. Last time I was on my rollerblades, I fell. But luckily I fell on the grass, so I was like literally going down the road and I'm like, I'm losing control. And I knew I was going to fall, so I headed for the grass. Okay, so I'm doing the half pipe now. This is like California Games. Oh, dang. What happened? Okay. I'm assuming I have to do some fun stunts. I'm not just supposed to go back and forth. Oh, ho, ho. You see that? He went down on his face. He's gonna need some skin. Let's see. Back and forth. Okay. Alright. Oh, I was doing well there. 5 seconds to go. Yeah, come on, I need some speed here. Yeah. Oh, back on my face again. I think it's over. 0. The time says 0. But yet I'm still playing. Oh. Never mind. And I'm assuming I'm gonna get nothing. Maybe I'll get something. Ah, oh, okay. More than what I thought I would get. Anyways, yeah, this is pretty cool. I mean, it doesn't seem like it would take long to really, you know, you play enough of these games, you probably start to figure out exactly what you're doing and how to do it. Obviously, I'm not playing the best, but it's fun. I mean, Probably something I would have messed around with if I had this on the Commodore 64 for sure. I didn't really have any skateboard games now that I think about it. But anyways, yeah, let me know what you think of this game. If you've played it on the Nintendo, if you played it on any other system, I always like to hear what you have to say. Anyways, hope you liked the video, hope you subscribe, talk to you later. Now where am I going? Oh no! Blup blup.